Welcome to the Melly
and Shally Show,
where we unpack the product range one product at a time.
Awesome. So product specific for today is going to be our windscreen cleaner foam, and this is such an amazing product that's be able to clean those windshields, removing them of silicone and insects.
So Shally actually says all our products are amazing.
It is.
But this product code is 1512 and it does make your life so much easier, so I know it's amazing. One of the things that if you want to wash your car windscreen, mirrors, your glass doors, any of those things, there's always streaks. And if you've had water that's been on your windscreen, to try and clean that up and make sure that there's no streaks and you can get that fattiness off the window, or even those stains that the watermark and actually the rain made. So a product that leaves absolutely no streak, you don't have to bring the newspaper and try to wipe it off 700 times, is this product, windscreen cleaner foam. And by just applying it, by just using the cloth that you're going to take the foam off, you'll be able to identify and even feel how easily it actually removes every single surface of the dirt.
Yeah, so this product itself, we mentioned, is a foam. So as soon as you apply it, you'll see there's a foam formation that starts happening, and this starts removing the residues that's quite hard to reach, especially when you actually go take your car to the car wash and they're trying to struggle, but this will be able to simply easily remove that.
So you can walk through your house, go to the mirrors in your house, spray with a foam cleaner, and actually then just dry it off. You'll see no streaks. You can do any of your glass doors, any of your glass windows, your sliding doors, making sure that you clean on both sides so that you can see. And then just one tip. After you're going to clean it with this foam, make sure that you put a little sticker there to say there is a window, because it's going to be so clear that you don't walk into it. And then for your car as well. Applying it, I've had a lot of times where actually the vehicle was not washed, but I could not see through the window because of rain, because of dust. Just applying that over the windscreen, and it took all the layers off and made it so clear for me to be able to see absolutely everything. So what is life about if you can't see through any of the windscreen that you are exploring the world? This makes it so much easier.
Yeah, so when you travel, please be safe and please use this product to ensure that vision is cleared up.
So this is our windscreen foam cleaner. Thank you very much for watching the Melly
and Shally Show.